Here's your quick guide on how to use HappySkin Fit. Our clothing is true to size but should have a snug fit. If HappySkin is too loose, our DreamSkin technology cannot touch the skin and will not be as effective. Creams and ointments. Creams and ointments containing paraffin are a big no-no when it comes to using them with HappySkin. Thick and greasy ointments create a barrier between the clothing and the skin, preventing our unique coating from soothing eczema. Paraffin-based ointments also prevent the skin from releasing moisture, and therefore toxins contained in sweat can get trapped and begin to further irritate damaged skin. Another top tip is to make sure there are no paraffins in your bubble bath. We recommend that you replace paraffin-based ointments with lighter emollients like oat-based creams or similar that can be fully absorbed into your child's skin, which again should only be applied as a thin layer and allowed to dry before dressing them in our HappySkin garments. Frequency. If your little one is suffering with a bad flare-up, we recommend using HappySkin 24/7, either on its own or under normal clothing. Unlike steroids, HappySkin cannot be overused, and its benefits can be obtained by wearing our garments as frequently as possible. Once flare-ups are under control, HappySkin can just be worn just during bedtime. If you have not seen significant improvement in 7 days, please do not hesitate to contact one of our skin experts directly via WhatsApp, who will be able to offer you further guidance. Welcome to the start of your HappySkin journey.